20 Minute Setswana, Lesson 6, Part 2. Okay, so let's take the language or the conversation a little bit further. What is your telephone number? We're getting into questions now.
Nomoro ya mogala wa gago ke eng?
A lot of things are actually picked up. Nomoro, that sounds like a borrowed word.
Yes,
Like number.
from nomer.
Nomer. And Afrikaans. That's
Yes.
right. Okay. Nomoro. Okay.
Nomoro.
The mogala, I don't know. What is that?
Mogala literally means wire.
Oh, like a telephone wire.
Yes, a telephone wire.
Okay.
But a word telephone in Setswana,
Yes.
maybe somewhere out there there's a name for it.
Maybe in Botswana they have a name
Maybe.
for it. Okay.
But here in South Africa we say mogala wa letheka, which is a cell phone. Mogala wa mogae, which is a telephone at home.
Okay.
Kgotsa mogala wa kwa kantorong, meaning a telephone in your office.
I actually got that.
Yes,
So it's-
kantoro.
Kantoro, yes.
From kantoor.
Now, the gago, I remember, like Lina la gago, the name of yours.
yours.
So this is the number of yours, correct?
Yes, yes.
But when you said name of yours, you say Lina la gago, but now it becomes Mogala wa
Wa
gago.
gago.
Okay. Now I got that number of yours.
In this context, we meaning what is your number?
The number of yours is what?
Is what?
And you had 3 examples here. You said home phone, office phone, and cell phone. Just repeat home phone again.
Home phone, mogala wa gae.
Mogala wa gae.
Yes.
Okay. So is gae the name for house? Or-
No.
No. Okay, not. So it's literally the name for home.
For home, yes.
Okay. Inside your home, there's a phone or a wire. All right. Mogala wa gae. Now,
Wa
for
gae,
interest's sake, what is the word for house?
For house, ntlo.
Ntlo.
Yes.
And then you said office phone. What was that again?
Office phone, mogala wa kantoro.
Okay, kantoro being the borrowed word
Borrowed word from kantoor.
from kantoor, the Afrikaans word.
Yes.
All right, interesting.
So anything that has to do with a telephone,
Yes, you add mogala.
it's mogala.
And you said cell phone. What was cell phone again?
Mogala wa letheka. Letheka, it's a hip
It's a wire of the hip.
of the hip. You remember most of the people?
Yes, I
put
remember those days.
Cell phones, yes, yes.
Okay, so wa leteka means hip.
Hip, letheka.
Leteka means hip.
Hip, yes.
Okay. I would like to ask a question. Do you have any brothers? How would I say that?
A ona le
Aonale.
bo abuti.
So this is Aona le bo abuti. Do you have brothers? If I were to ask you, do you have a brother? Would it be Aona le abuti?
Perfect.
You just take the bo out.
Yes.
Very cool. And if I were to ask you, do you have 3 brothers?
A ona le bo abuti ba bararo.
You see, so you can't just say
A ona le bo abuti tharo. No.
okay. Probably if I were in a conversation and had to think quickly, I'd probably say something like Ona le bo abuti ba e 3.
Perfect. That's when you speaking to your friend,
Okay, cool. All right.
not to me as a teacher.
Yes, I understand. I'll refrain from the street language when I have to write a test. Last question. I have a brother and a sister.
Yes.
All right. I
Ke
want
na le abuti
got that. Perfect.
le ausi. Kgotsa o
Okay.
kgaitsedi.
You see. Now, last week we learned sister is kgaitsedi.
Yes.
You used a different word.
I used a different word, ausi, because there's obuti there, or abuti.
Yes, yes.
And this is something that I've questioned myself
Okay.
many a times. Why don't indigenous Botswana people, especially in South Africa, why don't they have a word for abuti as much as they have a word?
Yes, there's a formal word for sister.
Yes.
And like a
We hardly use a formal word for a brother.
Yes.
We use abuti, which is a borrowed word.
Yes, yes.
From Afrikaans, obut.
Abut, yes.
And ausi from Afrikaans is osi.
Osis.
If you remember osis.
But it's not rude to say ausi.
Not at all.
Okay. Ke na le abuti le ausi. So would the le here be and or what?
Yes.
Okay, so it's not le isn't always just the linking word.
Yes.
In this it's also the word for and.
For and, yes.
Is that always in Setswana like that? And
And
something.
le tian, le, you adding. And it's le.
I remember le wena,
Yes.
le
rona,
rona, and them
le
and them.
bona.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Well, this brings us to the end of this wonderful lesson. I've learned so much in this one, and I hope you have as well. We'll see you next week on 20 Minute Setswana. Thank you, Mpho, for being here.
Ke a leboga.
Don't forget to go to the website where you have all the transcriptions you need with all the audio packed with information. And until next week, go fitlela nako e tlang.
We'll take it slow and step by